Hello, this is Hans.
And this is good.
And this is the chocolate break. And here we are again with another episode of her bringing a chocolate to the table and me bringing a chocolate to the table. We call it the chocolate break. It's a show that you enjoy, you keep asking for more, and we are here to give it to you.
It's very generous.
It is. You should be paying us.
Oh, I love that.
I do. All these napkins we go through, it costs a small fortune. All the trees. Pee on the trees. It's for the chocolate break. It matters more than happiness in the world. Chocolate break is all anyone cares about anymore.
Okay.
I wish it were that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. What if
the world
all
might be a happier place?
What if all you could see on the news were stories about this show?
That would be weird.
I know,
that
but
I would like that.
But we're not.
I hate being like on
But no
video.
stories about that horrible guy because he just wouldn't be really in the picture. No stories about famine or war or nothing. Everybody just be cool and we just be like talking about chocolate. Yeah.
Talking about chocolate.
People buy the water cooler. Did you see what Kit was wearing today? Yeah, that was very, 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 very attractive. Yeah, and they'd be like, "Oh, did you try that chocolate? Well, I hear you can order it, but it's sold out in most places." Yeah. I just got the one from the first episode, and they're on what, episode 19? Yeah. Yeah, it would be great. But no.
It's alright.
No, it's not.
One person at a time. Let's go.
It's your turn.
It's my turn?
It's your turn.
For chocolate?
To bring the chocolate to the floor.
Okay.
Oh yay,
sure.
oh yay.
Bing. Milk chocolate with speculoos or speculoos filling.
Speculoos.
That sounds really good. Hopefully it's good.
I hope it is too.
Sounds like it.
The first time I had that Speculoos kind of stuff was when my mom always gets us this enormous box of cookies every year.
Yeah.
God, I hope not this year. I still worry.
Distributed by Cost Plus Inc., Oakland, California.
Oakland is a city with a proud and storied past.
Oh, and do you know what that is?
Happiness and trees. Oakland.
Obviously never spent any time in Oakland.
The Raiders, the A's, or as they are really, it's really pronounced, the Oakland A's. That looks,
Smells funky. It's not expired either.
It certainly looks it.
Oh, God.
Let me smell.
Smells horrible.
Yeah, it smells like those cookies. The blade thusly gives and takes away.
Do you want a whole cube or do you want to share a cube?
I'll take a cube. I'm living dangerous.
Oops. Oh, look at the inside.
Oh my! Show our audience that. Actually, show them there.
Show them here.
Yeah. What is that?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
It was not the texture I was expecting. I was thinking you'd bite into it and it'd have like a little bit of crunch to it. But instead it's soft smooth.
Remember that Filipino chocolate thing that I got? It had like the 24 pieces and I thought it was a big bar. Like one of the first chocolate breaks. That chocolate has the same texture, but it doesn't taste like peanut butter. That's odd.
Ew. Rude.
0 stars. That made me do it.
I don't even know what to think about this one. I'll be kind. I'm gonna give it a 1.
Why be kind? Be real.
I've had worse.
Yeah.
And it's weird.
Look at it this way. You can give it a lower score if you really want
I can,
to.
but I feel like giving it a 1.
See, the way I look at it with giving low scores on things, you could have a turd, which is 0. You could have a turd with a bow tie on it. Well, it's got a bow tie on it, but it's still a turd. It gets a 0. So, I mean...
But I wouldn't rank that, even though I would say it wasn't super great. I wouldn't say it's turd level either.
Oh, it wasn't, God, what was that one? The vanilla? Let's not go into
talk about that again.
Oh, those Lindt chocolatiers and their bestial
Foul
ways.
chocolate.
They live in the darkness. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
They're not allowed to come and see the light of day.
That's sad.
They snarl. Alright, so let's bring you something that should please everyone, I think. If it doesn't, then that means there's something wrong with them. But
What?
we have...
I don't like peanut butter.
I don't like peanut butter! We have Reese's cups. Actually, notice, this is a Reese peanut butter cups. Not Reese's, and for God's sake, definitely not Reese's.
Reese's Pieces?
That's like people's...
guac.
Yeah, which unfortunately now has been added to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, which is not a valid dictionary. Only the Oxford English Dictionary will do in this house.
Guac.
But, yeah. Actually, I think the... Anyway. But it's a Reese cup with Reese pieces. This is... See, in Canada they call it Reese. Here they call it Reese's. So... But anyways, this is like jumping the shark as far as candy goes. Here's candy with candy inside of it. Hi! So let's open it up. One for you.
Oh, no way.
What?
That's a huge Reese's cup.
Well, yeah.
I can't eat that. I don't like peanut butter.
Well, my dear, Kayla says otherwise.
Okay, Les. Uh-oh. It'll only hurt for a second.
Kapla.
You can't even see them.
I don't
Just
see
like
any.
little speck of orange and yellow, but I was thinking there'd be big old pieces of it.
Yeah.
That's what it shows. Let's open it up somewhere. Oh, there's one.
You find one?
Oh, there's one right in there.
Well, let's try this one. Oh, you know why? It's because I cut it. Let's cut another one. Get those fingers out of the way.
You can kind of see an orange one on this one.
Alright. No, you have to eat a good half. Eat the smallest half, please. It's the chocolate break.
I don't like peanut butter.
I do. Ready, set, go.
That's a lot of peanut butter.
Well, that was dinner.
I think I may have chewed on one Reese's little candy things.
I keep getting them here and there.
It's almost like they're soft. It's like they should have done it somehow where they'd still be crunchy.
You never really had Reese's Pieces, have you?
Yes, I have.
Oh.
But they're a little bit crispy on the outside from the shell.
Very little compared to M&M's. You gonna eat that?
No. You're gonna go into a diabetic coma. Should I call someone?
Park the car in the garage, turn on the engine, and close the door.
Wow. Well.
Score.
One and a half.
Really? You don't like peanut butter?
I don't. It didn't taste burnt this time, though. When we had those Halloween pumpkins,
Yeah.
the peanut butter tasted burnt. This time it just tasted like a lot of peanut butter. I didn't get that really burnt, bitter aftertaste from it. So I have to say it's definitely a step up from that. I still
for one,
don't like peanut butter.
Yes, ma'am.
But if that was the only chocolate left on Earth, I would probably eat it.
The back of my throat is burning right now. It's like there are 100 small ants crawling around on my uvula.
Oh.
And it's that chocolate.
Why is it the
Every
chocolate?
time. Because I've had other products that I just eat chocolate that doesn't have peanut butter with it and does the same thing.
Weird. Maybe you're allergic. Chocolate for you.
I have that chocolate feeling. Oh, God. Well,
Did you forget to eat?
I did.
Oh, that's why.
Well,
You forgot to eat.
I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I don't care. The burn is worth it. That's like the throat hit. That is exceptional. Well, that's it. That's all we got for you.
Nothing left. Done.
I think you should tell some friends about the show. Tell them about the program, The Chocolate Break.
It's the nice thing to do.
It's not only nice.
Nice for us, and nice for them.
Yes, it gives me happiness. Knowing that you'll enjoy it.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.